How to use the highlight function. The function of highlight is to help us locate the fixtures and calibrate the fixture. Before using the highlight function, we need to store a highlight first. Select the lights. Press the locate button to light up. Before saving the highlight, activate the corresponding attribute first. Click the dimmer attribute, then rotating the A wheel to activate this attribute. There will be a red line below the attribute when it's activated. We can save it to highlight. Press the store button directly. Then press the highlight button. Prompt: highlight is saved successfully. Then we clear it. Then reselect the lights. After selecting the light, we directly press the highlight and the light on. We can use the left and right arrow keys to switch the lights. In this way, we can easily take a look at these fixtures that we have patched to know which light is faulty, or we need to adjust, or we need to fine-tune the light. We can first find this light and then make adjustments. After we use the highlight function, remember to press the Hightlight button again. To turn off the Hightlight function, press Clear button. We can also save a base color to the highlight. For example, let's save a red base color into the highlight. Means switch white in red. First, select Fixture and press Locate. Then click on the dimmer attribute. Activate the dimming function. The display bar under the parameter turns red. Click Color attribute. For example, if I want to save a red color to highlight, I turn the red color out first. Activate this attribute. Then we can press Store button. Then press the Highlight button. Prompt: highlight saved successfully. Then we clear it and reselect the lights. Press Locate button. First, we turn on the white light. Then we press the Highlight button, and it turns into this red light. Then we can use the left and right arrow keys. Let it go red in white. Or directly press the Set button. It can help us choose all fixtures. After we save this highlight, how do we remove it? Let's turn this highlight off first and clear it. We're going to cancel the highlight. We need to remove these active attributes. Select lights first. Press Locate. After light on, let's remove the dimmer attribute first. Click on Dim and click Remove. Click Color attribute. Click on C1. Remove Color attribute. After the dimmer and color attribute are removed, we can directly store it in the highlight. Press Clear button. Select the light again. Press the Highlight button. The highlighting will not be used because the highlighting has been cancelled. Above is about highlight function.